Hi, today I'd like to show you how to crochet a hooded pullover for a child. In the first of two parts video tutorial, I'll teach you how to crochet a ribbon, pick up chains on the edge of the ribbon, and work single crochet in the round. In addition, you'll learn how to crochet a back and two front parts, and how to connect shoulder parts with the back part. Lastly, I'll show you how to work sleeves and join them into the garment. I'll start with the ribbon, and for the ribbon I already made the foundation chain of 11 chain stitches. I will insert my hook into the second chain, this one, from my hook to work single crochet for my first row. So insert the hook into the second chain, grab the yarn and pull it through. You have 2 stitches on your hook, then again grab the yarn and pull it through the 2 stitches on your hook. So this is one single crochet, and now just repeat the process to end in the following chain. Second single crochet, and so on to end of the row. After you make 9 single crochet, work 1 returning chain at the end of the row and turn. My second and all the other rows I will work back loop single crochet. So this is my front loops and those are my back loops. So insert the hook into the second chain back loop from your hook, grab the yarn and pull it through. Then again grab the yarn or yarn over and pull the yarn through the 2 stitches on your hook. The same process what you just did before, just through the back loop. It is important. Back loop single crochet to end of the row and then 1 returning chain. At the end of the second row, work 1 returning chain and turn. Then I will just repeat the process. Back loop in the second chain, back loop single crochet to end, plus 1 returning chain at the end of each row. So I have 2 rows so far, and this is my 3rd row, and I will continue crocheting rows until I have 96 rows in total. That's what you should be getting. So just continue returning chain and back loop single crochet to end. Before joining very last row of the ribbon with very first one, count how many stitches you have on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and on this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your hook. So insert the hook into the last chain on this side, grab the yarn and pull it through the stitch on your hook. Then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So skip 1 chain and insert the hook into the back loop of that chain and in the following chain on this side, second chain. grab the yarn and pull it through 3 chains on your hook. Then just continue the process to end of your row. That's what you should be getting. After you finish joining the ribbon, just flip your work to the wrong side in order to hide the seam. After you flip your work to the wrong side, now it will be your right side, and just leave the tail of the yarn like that. It will be your starting point. Now I will pick up 100 chains on the edge of the ribbon. So just insert your hook into a chain, pull the yarn through, then again grab the yarn and pull the yarn through the 2 stitches on your hook. This will be your first single crochet. And then I will just repeat the process to end of my round. And for the second and all the rest rounds, I will just work single crochet until I have 34 rounds in total. After the ribbon, I work 34 rounds of single crochet and single crochet on 25 chains, so on 1/4 of my total number of chains. And this will be my first front part. Now I will work 1 returning chain and turn. Now I will work back loop single crochet backwards. So insert the hook from the right side and use back loop, grab the yarn and pull it through. You have 2 stitches on your hook, again grab the yarn and pull it through the 2 chains. And then just repeat the process for 24 more chains. Again, pull it through and then pull the yarn through the 2 chains. Count how many stitches you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 1 returning chain, 26, and turn. Then just continue single crochet on the right side. On the right side, work just regular single crochet. Insert the hook into the second chain and work single crochet in each chain to end of my row. And the end of my row, work 1 returning chain. At the end of the row, work 1 returning chain and again turn to the wrong side. And again I will continue back loop single crochet backwards in the second chain and insert the hook from the right side. Pull the yarn through, then again pull the yarn through the 2 chains. So again I will repeat back loop single crochet backwards to end of my row. and again 1 returning chain. I work single crochet on the right side and back loop single crochet backwards on the front side to keep the pattern on 14 rows, and my 15 rows I work single crochet to my last 10 chains. So I will count again how many stitches I have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and 1 returning chain, 16, and then just continue for few more rows, back loop single crochet backwards on the front side and single crochet to end on the right side. So that way I will shape my shoulder piece. After your first front part is ready, I will make the second front part totally the same, like a mirror reflection. So for that I will attach the yarn. So I will reuse my very last chain and attach the yarn here. Make a chain and then just continue single crochet for 25 chains. Then again, when I will have 25 chains, I will work 26 returning chain, and then on the front side will continue back loop single crochet backwards, totally the same as I did here. And again I will work 14 rows in total, and then 4 rows I will work for my shoulder piece. After you finish crocheting your second front part, 14 longer rows and 4 shorter rows, work the back part. For the back part, work 50 chains or all the remaining chains you have, and for 18 rows up. Then join your shoulder parts to your back part, totally the same as you joined your ribbon. For the sleeve I also worked 11 chains and worked for the first row 9 single crochet plus 1 returning chain, and for all the rest rows, for the second and all other rows, I worked back loop single crochet to end plus 1 returning chain. So I have 24 rows in total, and then I joined the very last and the very first rows of the ribbon together from the front side, flip it to the right side, pick up 36 chains and work those 36 chains in the round for 30 rows. Then I made an increase. I increased 1 chain every 6 chains. So just work 2 single crochet on 1 chain to make 1 increase. Then I just continue other 4 rows without increasing chains. To join the sleeve into the garment, I flip the sleeve into the front side and the garment into the front side. Then I will start from the bottom. So here's my shoulder piece. So I will start from the bottom. Just insert your hook into a chain and pull
this chain on your sleeve through, and then just insert the hook into another chain, and then in a chain in the front loop on your sleeve side, grab the yarn and pull it through. And now again grab the yarn and pull it through the 3 chains on your hook. So it is a little bit differently from that you join shoulder pieces and your ribbon. And then just continue the same. Insert your hook into another chain on this side, and here in the following chain again pull the yarn through the first chain, and then again yarn over and pull the yarn through the 3 chains on your hook. So I will repeat the process all the way around my sleeve. And then, in order not to develop a hole, I will insert my hook in this chain and then in the following one, and on the sleeve side chain, and still hole. So and just reuse the same chain. So let's see from the right side. If there is no hole like I have, so that is good, then just cut the yarn and secure it.
In the second and last part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a hood, increasing and decreasing chains, and how to finish up the sweater.